Hey guys, Alex here. Just a quick tutorial. Just want to show you how to get these cool line effects in Elementor, and you can use it anywhere, even in your HTML or Gutenberg, doesn't matter. So it's just HTML code with some CSS, and I'll just walk you through it really quick. So first we have a container here that div with the class animated lines, and inside you can see that there are many. Let me just expand it a little bit so you can see it better. So there are many divs here. I think it's 20 lines here. I'm not sure, but something like that. And some of these lines have this active property, like active class, and then they also have line delay 1 and then line delay 2. So this to achieve this small delay. So as you can see that the second line and the third line are flying a little bit with some delay, or actually the first one and the third one, and then the last two also. And here's the CSS here. So we have animated lines. Let me just zoom in it so maybe you can see better. Can I try to zoom in? Yeah, I can, I guess. So let's see. Let me just get back to my previous screen. Okay. So what's cool about this effect is that you can basically place it anywhere you want. Like on your background, in your like sections, and give this nice interesting look. So if you want this code, this HTML, just let me know. I'll provide some link maybe to with the code, but the code here is pretty simple. So we have the main container with display flags. So this is the container that holds these lines, and then as you can see here, we align it also absolutely, so that it will overlap basically behind all this, behind our section. And then we use overflow hidden so it will not stretch beyond the section. The next, each line, right? So this is very simple. So we have 3 pixel width, 100% height, and there's some border radius to make it a little bit rounded, and then we scale it vertically so that basically these lines are very long. They stretch beyond this container. And then this is a background of the line. So, and this is active here, right? So the active is this, the one that you see, this flying thing. It has position absolute, height, width, so that is basically a shape of the line. And then the most important here is this background. So here we apply some gradient. So we use two colors here. If you look closely, there is like a blue, violet, and then there's transparent, so it has this like fading effect. And then there is animation here for 6 seconds, and then it's infinite, so it's repeating, and then there is some transition function here to make it smooth a little bit. And then this is the delay here. So to achieve this small delay, so the first line and the second line, the third line, they have different speed. Otherwise, they will fly with the same speed. And this is the animation here. So it's pretty simple. So it will start at the bottom minus 30%. So it's important to have negative 30% so that it will be outside. It will start outside so that you cannot see animation starts, and then the 100% property here, that it will transition it to 110%, so it will fly basically. So basically it's transitioning the bottom position of this element from here to here. and that's what you see. That's what you see, this flying effect. And if I select this container, let me check. I already forgot, but we also have basically um, we have this EB animated lines container, right? This class here that applies on the like on this element here. And as you can see, we just use this property here. Like for example, if I hide this property, let's see, oh, it's still fine actually. Okay, so let me try to comment some. So here, as you can see, we have this, and this is our lines, and you can see the animation actually, right? And then what this property does is that scaling the lines and stretching them basically 2.5 times, right? And here we also rotate the container. If we remove it, so we will have this effect. And then you can also control gap basically. So if we set it to 2 rem, so you will have a wider space between lines. And maybe if you want to make the lines that they will drop it from the top instead. So what we will need to do here is to change it maybe to, let's see, top, top. Yeah, and we actually also need to revert our gradient in this case because currently it looks a bit weird. What else you can do here is let's turn back bottom again. Is that you can actually rotate it any angle that you want, right? So for example, we can rotate it 180 degrees. Let's try. Oh, and now we have this raindrop effect. So that's it, guys. So basically, it's just a simple effect. If you like this code, let me know in the comments. I'll send you a link, maybe upload somewhere, and let me know if you like this format of videos so that I can post more these interesting effects or like bento grids and these animation effects. And hope you enjoy it, and like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.